I had somebody ask me how my family's doing. And my response to them was, I'm sure the same that you give. So you mean all 7 million of us? No, how's your immediate family? I said, no, they're all my immediate family. She thought I was crazy because she's a regular American who lives in a very individualistic society and has no understanding why the people who live across the globe have anything to do with me. I couldn't explain it to her. That's the truth. I couldn't explain it to her. I can't explain to her why when I see posters and my heart cries, but they're not, who cares? You don't know them. You never met them. No, but they're my people. Wait, are you family? The answer is yes. Because Am Yisrael operates as a collective nation. Sure, is there room for individualism? Absolutely. But we as a nation are one. We as a group are one. Yeah, do we come in many different colors and stripes? And yes. Do we sometimes, like idiots, get stuck on those differences? Yes. But guess what? You know who else doesn't get stuck on it? The rest of the world. When the rest of the world bumps into us, they don't think, oh, look at this Polish Jew. Look at this American Jew. Look at this English Jew. Look at this Mexican Jew. You know what they think of us? Jews. That's all. Whichever country, I believe it was Chacham Uziel who said, despite the countries we came from, not because of the countries we come from. Am Yisrael is one. We are a nation of collective individuals that, yes, molds itself together. And it's something we've actually been seeing incredibly. We're living in a world where Am Yisrael is not even a percentage. And we are being called to task wherever we're sitting and saying, hold on, you're not an individual. Contrary to what the cultures around us have taught us, we don't operate as individuals. We are a collective nation. Yes, it's a nation that has room for individuality. Yes, there's room for people to express themselves, but we are a nation of collective human beings. And the same thing that both Moshe Rabbeinu and Yehoshua told the 2.5 tribes is the same thing we have to tell ourselves. Atem te'etzu la'milchama, you're going out, achechem. Now who's going out? Our brothers, our sisters, our family. I'm looking around the screen and I know personally cousins, friends, brothers, sisters, neighbors who are out to battle. And I think a lot of us are feeling this feeling, okay, so what am I doing? What can I do practically? And I think it's an important question to ask ourselves, which is, for some of us, it means showing up. And showing up can be in many different ways. You have a friend who's in Israel who needs somebody to talk to, so pick up the phone. You haven't spoken to somebody, but you see that they need some chizuk, they need a little bit of encouragement, send them the message. Don't be shy. Doesn't matter that you didn't speak to them for 12 years, and you ignored their last 13 messages. Doesn't matter. Now's the time to say, I understand collectively, Am Yisrael is not just in danger. We're struggling for our lives, for a fight of good against evil. I'm not going to stand here quietly. I'm going to figure out on a personal level, what does it mean for me to show up? What does it mean for my voice to be heard? And I can't tell you what that looks like. You know why? Because the way you show up and the way I show up, you see, we always think that equality is very important. Uniformity is very important. That's nonsense. We're not all good at the same thing, okay? We're not all going to fill the same void. But the question we have to ask ourselves is, I am part of Am Yisrael. I am part of the Jewish people. And when I'm sitting in my house, when I'm sitting in my room, and I know many of us already are sitting with this question of, so what can I do? I don't have a good answer for you. I think, though, it's an important question to ask yourself, which is, what do I do? What do I do for Am Yisrael?